Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you hear me okay?
I can.
Okay. I've read over the pleadings, I've read over your motion. I have a couple of questions after you kind of make your argument. We're here on a motion to appoint a receiver.
Yes.
Okay. All right, go ahead.
Your Honor, this was a case, the underlying original case was the borrower owns a trucking company and he borrowed a PPP loan from one lending institution. Then he borrowed a second loan from our institution. When he did that, he made a statement, you can't borrow two simultaneous loans. And he didn't make the payments on the loans, so we got a summary judgment in the 192nd.
Okay.
After the judge, I've talked to him several times during the proceedings before the judgment. We tried to settle the case. He didn't do anything about it. After the judgment, I sent him this email saying, do you want to settle? I sent him a request for production. Tell me about your business. We sent him a deposition notice. He didn't appear at the deposition. We sent a writ of execution. The writ of execution was returned, no assets. So he's not responded to anything in any attempt to reach out since the court entered the judgment in the case.
What was the date of the judgment?
It was,
I saw the motion been filed. I didn't see a copy of the order in the file, but help me find it.
Date of the judgment was December 13th. Let's see. December 13th, 2021.
Okay, I see it now. Let me look at it real quickly.
He's got on his application for the payback protection program, he says he receives average monthly payroll of $16,000. Exhibit 2 of our motions, $16,325 with 9 employees. So, I mean, he's got money coming into his bank accounts. So we want a receiver essentially to put a hold on the bank accounts and take the money that he's got for payroll and to use it to pay the judgment.
Okay. Did he participate in the hearing for summary judgment, or was that just done by submission?
It was done by submission.
Okay. And what was the last time you talked to this guy?
It was probably about a week or so before the summary judgment by submission. That's the last time I talked to him.
Okay.
He was adamant that he was not going to pay.
Is he aware of this motion to appoint a receiver? I see you.
He is. I sent him notice with the same notification that I logged on with. I have his email. He has emailed me back and forth. That is his email. Back before the judgment, he emailed me back and forth several times. That is his email.
Okay, I show on September 30th there was a return of unexecuted execution. What is that return of service?
It was returned with no money was received. No money. The sheriff executed the writ of execution on him, and he said, "I have no money." The sheriff looked around and said, "Do you have any non-exempt assets?" He said, "No." So it was returned no bono, which means no assets.
Okay.
But the sheriff didn't ask about about bank accounts. The sheriff didn't ask about. I did not give the sheriff this exhibit 2 that shows that he's got 9 employees with $16,000 worth of average monthly payroll.
Okay. And where did you serve him with this application?
I served him by email.
Okay.
He appeared in the case by email. He responded to the court by email. So I served him by email.
Okay. Do you have a copy of that in the file?
I do have a copy. I don't have it with me right now, but let me see. I can forward it to the court. Hang on, just.
Yeah, why don't you email it to me real quickly?
Okay.
Okay, I'm looking at your proposed order.
Okay, and what email should I send it to, Your Honor?
Send it to ronald.hurdle@dallascourts.org.
Ronald.hurdle@dallascourts.org.
Yep, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, let me check to see if I got it.
Okay.
Okay, this is the notice that you filed in the electronic filing system, correct?
Yes.
Did you send him something separately? I thought you indicated, that's what I thought you meant, you sent him a separate email.
No, I sent it. He got served through.
You
I have a
basically
notification service.
you just basically electronically filed it, and him being a recipient in the filing system would have gotten it via the electronic system, basically. Is that correct? Would that be correct, Mr. Hampton?
He got the notification of service. He was copied. Okay, did I send you the notification of service?
I see I got the notification that he was served through the electronic filing system.
Okay, that's the only way that I served him.
Okay, so you didn't send him a separate email, that's what I'm clarifying.
That's correct, I did not.
Okay, let's look at your order. Okay, I'm gonna grant the order, but I wanna walk through it and see. I'm kinda concerned about everything in here.
Yes.
You want us to appoint a receiver. Do you have a receiver in mind?
I don't, Judge, I don't.
Okay, I will check. We do have a list of vetted receivers, and I will check and find one for you. You said you want all financial accounts to be held
Yes.
by the receiver. Securities, real property, safe deposit, bonds, cash. Okay, I have no problem with that.
We don't need number 8, causes of action or judgments, or number 9. That's,
So you willing to forego cause of action, choices
Yes.
of action, judgment, contract rights, whether present or
Yes.
future? I guess you want to continue accounts receivable.
we do want those. We'll take out the intangible property rights.
Okay, so we'll take out 8, 9, and 11.
Yes.
And then you ask him to return, okay. I'm concerned about, as we get down to, in addition to the powers of the receiver shall have the following rights, authorities, and powers with respect to defendant's property: to collect all accounts, I have no problem with that, to change the locks. Why do we need to do that?
We don't need to change the locks.
Okay, I'm gonna cross that out. Why do we need to direct the delivery of defendant's mail?
We don't.
Okay, I'm gonna cross out 2 and 3. Okay, do you think you're gonna actually have to sell some property?
I doubt it. I don't think so.
Okay, let's cross out 5. I think if I understand what you're asking, if he's got a business where he has accounts where there's enough cash to justify this judgment, I think if we put a hold on that and allow the receiver to kind of control that, then it will give you an opportunity to go back to him and negotiate once more. And if he doesn't, then the receiver can take that money and then satisfy this judgment. How's that?
I agree, Judge.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Okay, so I'm gonna modify this order a little bit, and I will find a receiver and insert his name in the order, and I'll get it executed for you today.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you much. Anything further?
That's all.
All right, thank you very much. You may be excused. Have a good day.
Thank you, too.